Will's second try at eating rice cereal. Does he like it?
Right? No.
What do you think, Will? Whoa. You want to try some more? I think maybe, yeah. You want to try some more? Look, it's yummy. It's yummy. The face. Is it good? You want some more? Open up. Oh, Jasmine got it right in there. You like it? Is it good? You okay? You okay? You're eating. Good. Yeah.